I am going to explain the remove duplicates of an array in algorithm in JavaScript. So I will start typing and I will explain it. Okay, so in this case, we have to remove the duplicates of an array. In order to do that, I just created two constants, two arrays. The first one has some numbers and two duplicates, this and this one. And then I create another array with an empty array. Then I did a loop where I iterate over the first array and just set this variable to false. This will act as a flag in order to determine if there is a repeat value or not. Then inside that loop, I create another loop where I will iterate over the other array. So when that happens, for example, in the first case, we will iterate for in the first loop. So I is 0 and in that position is 5. So then in this case, we iterate over the array, it's 0, and in this case, the array in 0 is 1, there is 5 the value, and it compares it with a resultado variable that is an array in 0. As there is no value, this condition is not met, so it's not going through this part of the code. It jumps to this part of the code, so it checks if repetido is not true, which is not because this never happened and this was set to false here. It does the following. Array in I that is in 0, the value is 5, so it assigns 5 to resultado and this, that is this, its length, and as it is an empty array, length is 0, so this is the index, so we will assign 5 in index 0, so in the first element of resultado. And this will go over when we, many times, when we have a duplicate, the following will happen. It will check, for example, in this case, 0, 1, 2, 3. In 3, the value is 4, and it checks resultado For example, we will put here, it will be 5 resultado equal 5, 7, 4, so 0, 1, 2, and it will compare if it is equal to resultado 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2, 3. It will happen that will happen, so it will set repetido as true and it will break. So this part of the code will not be executed. So this number, this element won't be assigned to resultado, and it will go over and do that for the iterations regarding the numbers we put in the array. So that is the explanation. If you have some questions, you can ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.